I'm not sure which way we should go.
Go this way.
Yeah, keep going straight, Nick. You'll be fine.
On the second day drive to Virginia, the fog really rolled in. It was thick. This is the small town of Alberta, Virginia. My mom grew up here with their 9 siblings. Many great memories here as a kid. Ba-da-da-da.
Anyway, just welcome here. It's good to see y'all. We got Texas in the house. Yay!
It's amazing you can be gone for so many years, but right when you see the family, it's like you were never gone. Great to be around. I know.
So somebody needs a wolfing.
You're wolfing.
Raining outside, I had to go look for myself. And Cindy was attending to
School bus.
Bubba, what you doing, Bubba?
Oh,
Yeah, baby.
he went way on the other side. The old way of driving.
Oh my God.
We're in South Hill, Virginia, and we are getting ready to move on. Had a family reunion yesterday, that was awesome. See a lot of people. Now we're packing up, getting ready to go. We're gonna switch out my water filters here because I made a big mistake the other day and tried to flush my system with bleach and forgot to unhook it from the filter system and ran the bleach through the filter system, and it probably collected all the bleach and didn't sanitize my system. So we're gonna change those filters out. Nice $80 mistake, but anyway, here we go. Alright, had the filters changed out, just flushing the system. Down here in a second. Stayed at the Love's, stopped for a couple nights because it was convenient, close to where I needed to be, so it was alright, a little loud, but not too bad. Hey guys, we're in Fredericksburg, Virginia. We drove up from South Hill today. We're staying at our first ever Harvest Host. It's the Battlefield Country Store. And they're closed today, but they'll be open 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, so we'll look forward to going in their store and buying some stuff. That's part of the program, Harvest Host. So anyway, this is a little look at it. About 3 RVs here right now. I think they will hold up to 5. But cool little store. I think they have ice cream and all kinds of sandwiches and other stuff, so we're looking forward to that tomorrow morning. Here we are right here. And we are using our generator for the first time, so we got that running. I also have a new lithium battery, but I haven't put it in yet, so I am going to hopefully do that up in Maryland when we have a whole week or so to sit there and do it. So I got to install that because I still have the lead acid and it doesn't last very long. So we can't even make it probably through the night with our refrigerator. But the generator seems to be working good. So anyway, we'll catch you in the morning. Yes, I'm an idiot. This is National Golf Club. This is where our kids used to take golf lessons when they were younger. This is where it all started. They took lessons with the great Terry Schaefer, pictured here on the left. We are eternally grateful for his help with our kids and the kindness he showed to all of them. I was able to catch my buddy Brian McDonald at rehearsal with the Airman a note. And yes, he sounded fantastic. We also got to get out on the course and play some golf. Well, Brian played some golf. I just chased my ball around the course. It was pretty bad. Don't ask me what I just said there. Wendy really just started playing this year and she's doing great. It's a nice swing. Picked up 2 holes in a row, so not too good. Get on video so if you make it. Yeah. Oh, the pressure. You can tell by Wendy's face she loves my candid shots. Alright guys, we're in Waldorf, Maryland, where we used to live, and we're gonna take a bike ride on this old Indian trail, rail trail that we used to walk on and run on a lot, take the kids on, and yeah, we're gonna take e-bikes from electric and go out and take them out. Ready to ride. rail trail. We're on an e-bike, but we're not using any assist right now. Headed down about 9 miles to Indian Head. We'll turn around. If we need the assist then, we'll use it, but might not need it at all. So these are heavy bikes. So you need a little bit. But hey, grass, man. Wendy didn't see him when she rode by and almost ran over him, so I was trying to move him along so he wouldn't get run over by another bike. Cool. Hey, buddy. Sunday. We screwed up. We did our reservation through Monday. Now we gotta find a place to stay. No place to stay. One thing I don't miss about DC is this traffic. It sucks. Everywhere you go. We were able to get reservations at Fort Belvoir Travel Camp. Right on the water, very pretty. We enjoyed it. Up towards the light, Wendy. Up towards the light.